Assalamualaikum guys, welcome back to my channel with the Fadi. So today we are, as the title, we are going to make a simple poster, or exactly infographics. Uh, the difference between poster and infographic is not that much, but either you want to tell, you don't want to say it infographics or poster, anything you want to talk. Okay, so this is, we are going to make it on Figma, not on Canva. We are running new here. So first you will need to click on draft, and then you can choose by Figma gem file, or for the starter like me, we can choose design file. Okay, so we will get a blank things like this. Okay, so what you need to do is click on the frame. You can choose by pressing F, and then make it like this, or you can choose what frame do you want. Like you want a 4 pound like iPhone 3 Pro Max, or nothing, or either, or you can choose by paper like A4. I'm gonna make it like for A4. Okay, so then for the next thing you will have to choose a background. Okay, let's see what a good background. How about nature background? Click on the picture here, we have a lot. It's just these. Okay, so in here we will see, search for good background. How about mountain view? This is good actually. Yes, we got heady one. You can either right click, and then save it or copy, or you can like open a web that's have a bunch of good picture for you. But for this I will choose this for my background. Okay, set as thumbnail layout. Okay, flip. Okay, so for the frame we can, so if you learn something, if you cannot turn the frame like 90 degrees or something, so for A4 you will have to choose for like type A4. Oh, we'll found this is good actually. We can just like copy it. I'm just gonna copy it, and then I will paste it on here. Okay, so in here we have a nice background. Okay, so what you need to do is, for me, I will make it smaller, fit on the frame. We're gonna make it fit on the frame. Okay, this is good. Okay, so then you can either add the text right now, or adding more picture or like objects. So for you, if you wanna add text, you can just click in here text, and then put it where do you want to text in, like here. Then you will have a little line in here that's the changing white black like that. You can type in like the title of your poster, like nature. Like the, I don't know, for the title, like nature calls. You can then, for the title, we can choose either the font. Like I'm gonna choose for PT Sans. PK Post Nobel. Okay, it's hard to find, not like Word or Excel, something like that. We have PT Sans, and then you can choose in here regular or bold, italic or bold italic, and then you can choose the size of the word. Like I'm gonna choose 24, then bigger again, 26 or 48. Okay, nature call. So in here we already have the title, and then you can change the color for the title: red, green, or cyan, but I'm gonna choose black. Okay, I think the black is too dark, right? Let's just figure out what is the nice color. Cyan is the good one. Okay, and then you can make like come uh, to your guest house or to your hotel near the mountain, and then you can click on the text and then add here. Come join us on the mountain tour. And then here we have like you wanna alignment to left, align to the center, or align to the right. It's up to you. I gotta choose alignment to the center, and then I gonna change the color into white, and then we can add some like other like picture or object, like how to add. I'm just gonna get some picture. If you ask me how do I get a picture uploaded to here, well, you can choose on main menu. First you have to download like this download, or either copy paste like me, like this background. You can upload it from your computer too by click on here the Figma logo, and then go to file, and then you can place image. Click on here, and then you will choose what do you gonna add here. Do I have a sample thing? I don't know. Like my logo, I think, and then I'm gonna place it on here. Okay, like that. Okay, so I'm gonna go to Canva because I have my big background, my photo profile there. I'm gonna put my design here, and then I'm gonna, can I copy here? No, I cannot. Okay, so I'm gonna download here to PNG for, okay, not, no, this, okay. Okay, I'm gonna download it, and I'm gonna open remove background. Okay, and then upload image. Let's just drag and drop. Remove, I download, and then we're done. And then I'm gonna drag and drop to here. So then here we have a nice poster. You can change it by yourself, and then if you feel like this is too big or this is too small, you can press on the command key and M2 on mouse, like scroll it up and down. You can adjust like this. For Windows, you can click on the control button, I think, option, okay. And then if you wanna adjust a picture for more precise view, shift will not get changed, just like this. Will make it more precise if you press on shift. Okay, so I think that's all for a quick tutorial of making simple poster. We'll see you next time, and don't forget to like and subscribe me. Bye. 9 minutes.